Is it the right time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.98. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. TQQQ has actually exceeded our expectations with a remarkable gain of 17.13% since we first recommended buying it 24 days ago. That means, on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 0.71% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.8% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -10.81% to 22.23%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a forecasted 83.54% change in the trend, offering a potential return between 45.61% and 143.36%. This translates to a price range of $61.91 to $103.48 after a year. Today, we have an update on the TQQQ ETF. The headline reads, TQQQ ETF price ended at $42.52 on Wednesday, with a decrease of 1.78%. The TQQQ ETF price dropped by 1.78% on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. It went from $43.29 to $42.52. During the trading day, the ETF had a range of $42.41 to $44.32, fluctuating by 4.5%. In the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a decrease of 3.12%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased, which is usually a positive sign as volume tends to follow the ETF's movement. The volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last trading day, with a total of 81 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.43 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 9.8% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $4.62. Additionally, it is 77.72% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 8, 2021, when the price soared to $190.88. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for the TQQQ ETF. The TQQQ ETF has shown a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that while there may be some short-term selling pressure, the overall outlook for the stock is positive. If the ETF continues to gain, it may face resistance at around $43.65 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it may find support at around $39.41 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, and the ETF has fallen by -4.88% since then. This suggests that there may be further downward movement until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. However, the decrease in volume along with the price during the last trading day reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Don't forget to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, TQQQ has some important ones to consider. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $35.70 and $34.47. It's worth noting that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for TQQQ would be at $35.70, $34.47, and $32.77. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with trading this ETF. TQQQ has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which puts its risk level in the medium range. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.91 between its highest and lowest points, equivalent to a 4.5% change. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.68%. Today, we'll be looking at some important day trading levels for TQQQ. If the price of TQQQ starts to rise, the first level of resistance to watch out for is at $42.94. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the price of TQQQ starts to decline, the first level of support can be found at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point for investors looking for a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $40.41, which represents a decrease of 4.96%. With its moderate daily movements, this ETF carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 11 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Although TQQQ holds several positive signals, we don't believe it is a strong buy candidate at the moment. It would be more appropriate to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position while waiting for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate TQQQ to open up $0.563 and begin trading at $43.08. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a trusted financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. Also, let us know what your target for the ETF is. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with successful trading strategies. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.